In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the recycle bin on OneDrive. If you're looking to free up some cloud storage space or simply declutter your files, clearing out the recycle bin is a straightforward task that can make a real difference. It's quite similar to emptying the recycle bin on your computer, but just in the OneDrive environment, a cloud-based solution that keeps your files safe and accessible from anywhere. Let's start by heading over to your web browser of choice and navigating to the OneDrive website. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is typically the same account you use for services like Outlook or your Windows login. Once you're logged in and have your OneDrive dashboard in front of you, you'll notice a range of options on the left side of your screen. These include sections like Files, Recent, Photos, and share the array of folders within your OneDrive. But for this task, what you need to focus on is scrolling down to find the Recycle Bin option. Click on Recycle Bin, and it will take you to a page where you can see all the items you've previously deleted from your OneDrive. These items are not gone for good, they are temporarily stored here in case you need to restore them. It's important to note that OneDrive automatically purges items from the recycle bin after 93 days, but if you're in a hurry to free up space, manually clearing it can be a wise choice, especially if you're working with limited storage. As you look over the list of files, consider whether there's anything you might want to restore before proceeding. If there are files you wish to keep, you can select them by clicking the checkbox next to each file and then clicking the Restore button at the top to move them back to their original location within OneDrive. If you're confident that you no longer need any of the files in your recycle bin, you can go ahead and empty it. Simply click on Empty Recycle Bin at the top of the page. A prompt will appear to confirm your decision. Keep in mind, once you confirm, these files will be permanently removed, and you won't be able to recover them. So, take a moment, make sure you haven't missed anything crucial. Finally, confirm your choice, and in a few moments, the space those files were taking up will be freed. Keep this practice in mind as part of routine maintenance for your OneDrive account. Regularly clearing out the recycle bin ensures you have all the storage and organization you need for new files and projects. And there you go, with just a few clicks, you've successfully emptied the recycle bin in OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your digital world.